Hey, it's Metro. So the best way to give somebody access to your Facebook ads account, you go right here where it says business.facebook.com. You go underneath your settings section, business settings, and you go to people. Just make sure when you have multiple drop downs, you click the right business account you have and you add a person. So I'm just going to add uh, another email account just as an example at Gmail. Now, this email address is going to receive a notification, and you could give them full access to what you want. Next, now you have to click each page. Click the page, click full access, right? So, or if you want, you could give them limited tasks to manage the ads, manage the reports. But in this case, give me full access to see everything. I click everything. Add account. You click that correct account. Well, since you're inside it, it would be that one account. Full control. You don't have any apps. You should have a pixel on there. And the Instagram account. This Instagram has to be linked together to give access, but just for this demo, this will be just Facebook, and then you press invite. Now, here's the last important key to all of this. Facebook has trouble to send out those email notifications, but I always click on resend. So that's one way to, really drive that notification. And that's it. The person presses accept it. They're not upset. They accept the invitation, and that's it. They have control.